In today's fast-paced world, it can be hard to keep up with everything going on around us. Information provided in an entertaining and educational format can help us to learn and add to our knowledge. Aesthetic Vision is an entertainment channel about art and science and the valuable skills that we overlook in our lives. This stretches from crafting an egg-shaped hanging chair to embroidering a wedding dress, repairing an industrial wheel bearing to making a guitar, and cobbling leather shoes to building an electrical element. In addition to entertaining, this channel is designed to inform and educate people of all ages, especially those interested in arts and engineering, from beginners to professionals. This channel has been proposed and designed by highly educated and technically minded people. Our outstanding features include a detailed commentary for each video in English, with English subtitles in order to reach a wider audience. We aim to shine light on the creation of local art, crafts, skills and expertise globally. We hope that along with entertaining you, watching this channel will educate you by keeping you aware and informed of how everyday items are made.